I know last year in September, I think, we interviewed you about the Northwest Passage and the ice loss there. Is this just a continuing part of that trend?
Yeah, it's an overall continuing part of that trend. Now, will the Northwest Passage open up this summer? We don't know. Again, it depends on what the weather patterns were. Last year we had sort of a perfect weather pattern to get rid of ice to open up that Northwest Passage. This year a different pattern can set up so that maybe we'll preserve some ice there. It's kind of, we're in a wait-and-see mode right now, and we'll see what happens.
Now, in the debate about the dangers or the factors into this ice melting, some people suggest that it's just cyclical. Any comments on that?
Oh, no, it's not cyclical at this point. I think we understand the physics behind this pretty well. Certainly there's a lot of the details that we're working on. What are the exact roles of the oceans, for example? But we've known for at least 30 years from our earliest climate models that it's the Arctic where we see the first signs of global warming. It's the Arctic where those changes would be the most pronounced. It's a situation where we hate to say we told you so, but we told you